Welcome to Harley Davidson of Danbury Fairfield Power Sports. This is a brand new 2024 C500 ATV with a coal pin plow installed. It's got a winch standard equipment, composite over steel racks, alloy wheels, automotive grade paint finishes, CV Tech fully automatic transmission. This is an incredible ATV. Right now there's a $500 factory rebate on this vehicle until the end of November 2024. LED lighting, great off-road tires, 12-volt outlet and a USB port all on the vehicle. This is not for use for 16 and under. 16 and up. Let's check out the dash. Easy to read, high-low range, four-wheel drive, two-wheel drive, and four-wheel locked. Harley Davidson of Danbury Fairfield Power Sports, 203-730-2453. Come visit us and save yourself the backbreaking work of shoveling snow with this ready plow installed ATV. Thank you for watching the video.